Hello, my name's Wayne Holly. I'm from Missouri, USA. My doctor told me I needed a total hip replacement. I was uninsured. I couldn't afford to have it done in the USA. I discovered medical tourism online. IndiCure turned out to be my best option. It was the most affordable. A lot of people thought that I was kind of crazy to, come halfway around the world. So I've been very pleased. Surgeon was top notch. I was very pleased with the hospital, the doctors, the physical therapists, the nurses were all very sweet. Anything that isn't emergency care, I would recommend jumping on a plane and coming here.